The Lost Puppy. One day, Rohan went to the park. He saw a small puppy near a tree. The puppy was alone and sad. Rohan looked around but did not see the puppy's owner. He gave the puppy some biscuits. The puppy wagged its tail. Rohan took the puppy home. He gave it milk and a warm blanket. The puppy was happy. The next day, Rohan and his mother put a notice in the park. Lost puppy found. In the evening, a little girl came to their house. "Tommy!" she shouted. The puppy ran to her. The girl hugged Rohan. "Thank you," she said. Rohan felt happy. The puppy was home again.